Hey, this will be a video chart on LBSR. Been about maybe a month and a half, couple months since the last time I did it. Actually, looking here, you can see the annotations from the last time I did do the chart, and as can be seen, it's made quite a bit of a solid move since the last time I did it. Well over 100%. And this video is going to be pretty simple because I'm just going to be referring back to this exact same pattern and kind of philosophy that I did in this first video. If you want, you can go back and look through the videos that I have posted and rewatch the one that I did back here when I was drawing this pattern here. But like I said, the same philosophy is going to remain in place, and as long as the chart continues to repeat history the way it's been, then no worries. Sure, today was a red day, but this chart's had plenty of red days before. But in the grand scheme of things, you can see that things are well within the control of the bulls. So to go back and recap kind of what I talked about back when I did this video back here, essentially all we cared about is the one question: is it going to go through a healthy consolidation? And so far this chart has gone through two very healthy consolidations. This one lasted quite a while, but the key, like I had pointed out here when I drew this support line, was as long as the price maintained this level, then that was a sign that the bulls are in charge, and the bulls are still the ones who have the edge and have the momentum. And sure enough, you can see that after a while the price took back off, and then the more recent consolidation period we had was where this was a resistance, and then that had turned to support. And you can see that after this big move here, this level didn't even get tested. That's how strong this consolidation was. 3 straight days, and then basically went sideways. Didn't even really pull back at all. And now we're seeing another big move. Coincidence or not, I'm not sure, but 1, 2, 3 days, kind of like we had here. 1, 2, 3, and now we have our first day of what will either be the beginning of a pullback or some sort of sideways movement. But as long as, like I said at the beginning of the video, the chart continues to repeat the way it's been going, pullbacks and sideways action has proven to be very healthy for the chart, and as long as support levels hold, then there's nothing to worry about. So where we stand right now, the key area of support that we're going to want to be hanging on to and looking to try to hold is the previous level high, which was I'm just going to grab this here and move this up, but you can see that 7 cents had acted like a very stubborn area of resistance here back in mid-August. 3 times the price tried to hit it, could not get above it, but now it has, and this is going to be the key support level. As long as 7 cents holds, then nothing to worry about. The chart's going to look very nice because it'll once again could drop down here, bounce around before heading back up, and this low would still be higher than all the other lows that it's had. If 7 cents doesn't hold, we still do have the moving averages. Nobody wants to see it drop all the way down to the 50-day, but the 20-day is going to be quickly creeping up, so that's going to be your other area of support. But for the time being, if you were to ask me what's the ideal level you want to see it hold, it would be right here at 7 cents. As far as resistance levels go, essentially in a blue sky breakout, we do have the 11-cent level as a resistance because that's where the profit takers decided to step in today. But overall, a very good looking chart ever since July. It's exploded, consolidated, exploded, short little consolidation, and now it's gone through another explosion and looking like it'll do some consolidation here. So hopefully if people have been watching this and playing it for a while, nobody's going to be freaking out with consolidation because like I said, it has proven to be very healthy for the chart. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety sent for everybody. It's all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up for it, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was LBSR. Thanks for listening.